So today we're going to take a look at how you can have an automatic number coming in like your number box. If you want to create like some list or something, like for example here I want like numbers to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and I want to put some names, surnames in, you might want to do something similar. So how we do that is, we just simply type in equals, and we're going to go for sequence. Once we're in sequence, we want to type in count A, and then, because I'm doing it from, I'm just going to go from B2 to B19. You want to set it to the second box. You don't want to set it for the actual number cell. So obviously I wouldn't put it in column A because it just wouldn't work. You want to put it in the next column along that you want to automate the data for. So we're going to put in B2 to B19. Once we've done that, we want to close off that set of brackets and close off brackets like that. So we have our count. So now you're going to see an error pop up here in our A2 cell. But as soon as we start writing and tab along, you're going to see that things start changing. And as soon as we type in this next cell here, and if I just keep going down and writing in information, you're going to see that the numbers just fill in. If I do that quickly, and there we are. So as you can see that I filled in all the numbers, and this data is automatically created. I hope you guys found that useful. Please like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you next time.